Once we learn to count to 10 by tally marks, and we learn groupings of 10 by 2s, another grouping we can consider that is similar to 2s, 4, 6, 8, 10 is 2 but as 5s. So you have 5 and then another 5, and that is 2 5s for another grouping of 10. You can also have the same grouping of 1s for a total of 10 1s. Once you learn how to group based on different groupings, next you should learn to partition. Partition is when you take 10 and you partition. Here I have 5. Here I have 5. And that is a partition. Both seem 10. So that's a partition. Once we know partition, we can add to this. For example, I have this 5 that is singular and this 5 that is also singular. Because I know my numbers from 1 to 10, I can do 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. So if you know 10 by addition of 1s, you can go to 20. And you can continue with the addition of 1 for 30. 40, because you know this 10 with addition, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40, plus 10 is 50. So, as you can see, there is a 5, and here we have 5 and 5. So, with addition, we can do 5, which is, with this 0 is 50, so you can do 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So here we have 5 times 5 gives you 25. You see here, 25 is half of 50. So if you do 25 times 2, that gives you 50. So this 50 is an equal match to this 50. This 5, you can also do an addition. this addition of 5, you can do 5 plus 5, as we already know, is 10. This 10, you can see, times 10, because we know multiplication gives you 100. This 100 is similar to this 50 and this 50 combined. So now you know your basic arithmetics. Next, we are going to learn about sequence.